to my green space. Today we'll see yet another very interesting planter. And any guesses of what this is? This is a mobile carton which I've been saving for quite some time and I didn't know what to do. Now an idea struck me and let's see what we can do. I need few cardboard pieces and a cutter, glue or a gum, then few colors, brush and a pot that fits into this box. This is how it looks after we paste the fabric on this, and now this perfectly goes and sits into it. Now what we'll have to do is make pages for this. For this we'll have to use this Fevicryl molded. Here is the final look of our book planter. I have given it a name to Plant World and Plants Encyclopedia. And see, these are the pages, look of pages. Now we'll put a plant into it, and this is a small plate so that it doesn't get wet. And this is how it is. You can leave this on your study table or you can gift it to your friends who are interested in reading. Isn't it an interesting idea?